Oh no! Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make this Yarnaby costume at home.
The name is Yarnaby. Would you wanna be my friend?
The mouth can be opened and closed like this. Let's get started. First, I will make the head. I need two half circle, 12-inch diameter domes like this. These ones have edges that I need to cut them off. For now, tape them together. Now, I have to make sure that I can wear it. Trace and cut here. These are 7 and 11.5 inches long woods. Glue them together. Then glue the head on the frame and close the openings with the poster board pieces. This will make it more stronger. Another set of 7 and 11.5 inches long woods. This time put them together this way. Now I need 4 window hinges. Carve a little so the hinges sit well. Put them on the head side first, then cut from the center like this. Now fix the other side of the hinges to the frame. Cut these edges off so that it can open and close freely. So far, looks great. Fix on a 22 inches long wood like this on the top. Now we need to connect them with an elastic rubber. Cut it thinner so the opening of the mouth will be easier. Then screw on 4 hooks like this to tie the elastic rubbers on. Now tie them on like this. Cool! Working as it should. Put another hook on top of it and run through a strong string. When you pull the string, the mouth opens. When let it go, closes automatically. Spread a thin layer of air Play-Doh in the inside. Now let's make the teeth. It's so exciting. I'm using 10mm thick white foam sheet. Cut them like this, about 2 inches long. Glue them on, leaving about 1.5 inches space in between them. As you guys know, some of Yarnaby's teeth are broken. I cut them, looks like that now. Paint the inside red with acrylic paint. Now I'm gonna put the red mask on and try it on. Cover it up with a yellow or gold color fabric. Paint the wood in the same color as well. Draw a line for the mouth. Cut a circle from the 10 mm thick white foam sheet 4 inches in diameter for the eyes. Then cut a smaller circles from a thin black foam sheet. Make triangles for the teeth. Now it's time to glue them on. I'm using these colorful fuzzy sticks for the fur. They are too long, that's why I'll cut them in half. Now glue them on one by one. And there it is. It looks and functions as I want it. Now it's time to make the body for it. These are the measurements for myself. Fold the yellow or gold color fabric so there is 2 layers on top of each other, then measure. Put some pins on to hold them together. Draw for the legs. Now cut. And sew. Cut a little opening for the neck and the front. This is how it looks like so far. These are for the sleeves. Put them together. And this one is for the collar, 19 by 10. Sew it on to the body. Then sew the zippers on the front. Make mittens for the front paws, fill them with the fiber fills. Make socks for the rear paws. I'm using this 10 mm thick black foam sheet for the claws. Cut them out and glue them on. Using this velcro to connect the head to the body. Glue one side here for the head and the other side to the body. Now it's time for the fur. Glue them on like this. Wow, came out so good. Yes, I need someone's help to put it on. Stay tuned guys, I will be making the Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 and Chapter 4 soon. Thanks for watching.